The question is this: is there a way to select all of your LinkedIn invites and accept them all at once? The answer is no, and I'm going to explain to you why the answer must be no in this video. So here's my LinkedIn invitations. First of all, I never manage my LinkedIn invitations on this page, ever. I always go click on See All XX, whatever the number is there. And here's why I manage it from here. First of all, I can see all the invites that I've received, and I can see all the ones that I've sent. Additionally, I can reply back to those who sent me a message, or I can message those who sent me an invite who didn't tell me why they want to connect. Look, bulk connecting on LinkedIn is not the right way to build a meaningful, relevant network of trustworthy friends, trustworthy peers, target audience, leads, opportunities. It's not how you do it. You don't collect a whole big old stack of business cards and celebrate that. You find people to connect with and get into conversations with. So bulk connecting would fail miserably. And also, you don't just simply connect. When you connect with someone, you determine the most appropriate way for you to immediately engage with them. That is critical. Otherwise, all you're doing is collecting digital business cards. And that is not how LinkedIn works. That's not how it works successfully. Additionally, you're not going to connect with everyone who sends you an invite. The people who send you invites and they don't tell you who they are and what they want, you've got to find out what they want. And if what they want is relevant, then maybe you'll accept the invite. If what they want is irrelevant or they never respond back to you, then you want to hit the ignore button, because that person is irrelevant to you, or the fact that they don't respond, they don't care to engage on LinkedIn. And I don't need to connect with anyone on LinkedIn who's not willing to engage with me. That's fact. Now, this will take more time. However, the more you practice managing your LinkedIn invites, vetting the people you want to connect with, accepting the invite from the right people, and immediately engaging with them at the level you should immediately engage with them, the more you practice this, the more efficient you're going to get and the more successful you're going to be at networking on LinkedIn. It absolutely is critical that you practice and you define a process. You build a process that you can execute over and over and over again. I have a very deliberate process for connecting on LinkedIn, and I very infrequently alter it or drift away from it because I know it works. So build your process in a very deliberate way so you can figure out who they are, should you connect with them. If you do connect with them, find the right way to engage with them and based on their relevance to you. Please don't bulk accept LinkedIn invites. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.